The video you just clicked and about to watch is the latest video on YouTube. In this next video, we're going to find out how dirty-minded some of the youths are. And if you think you're not among them, then tell me how many you got right in the comment section below. Make sure you watch till the end if you skip 3 days of no lunch or breakfast for you. So make sure you watch each minute till the end. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and that post notification bell. If you're new, welcome. If you're a returning member, keep it real. One more thing, let's get this video to 1,000 views. So make sure you tell everybody you know to tell everybody they know, so they tell everybody they know to share this video. And have good luck. So you better watch it.
Use on Facebook, your boy Chinzen. I also do some mash words, so I'm sure you should, my page.
You hate that right. If you don't subscribe, you teach me to martial art you. What's up? It's pretty boy Brighton. Welcome to another video. We always come with lit videos, always bangers. When we upload, everyone is happy. Yeah, so stick to the far end. Let's watch the video. Plus, I've got a giveaway for my 100 subscribers. I just hit 100 subscribers 3 days ago, and I've got a giveaway. If this video hits, let's say 300, I'm going to announce what the giveaway will be. So I'm out here with the latest, dopest people around here. Yeah, so I'm here with
Smash Chaos.
Echo Giara.
I'm the man.
Muhammad.
Your lifestyle.
Stuffings.
Dynamic ZM.
Your boy Chinzen.
Mirror divine on the zone.
Yeah, on the vibe all day at the party. Niggas happy, I can say that's my litest. I'm that nigga who can vibe all day. It's a party after party all day. Niggas sipping mother, I'm sipping fun.
yeah. So let's get into the video. What gets longer if put fits snugly between breasts, slides neatly into a hole, chokes people when used incorrectly, and works well when jerked.
What? Okay.
Go into breast.
Yeah.
And then you go into a
breast, and I go into a hole.
Yeah. What are you? A human?
A bra. A bra.
I'm not sure.
Yeah, sure. It's actually simple. You own a castle, you're supposed to know it. Breast. Through breast
Yeah.
into a hole.
It's a garage, you're a car.
No.
Let me tell you, the task is hard. This was simple.
Just as okay, let me read the question again.
Start again. What gets what?
What gets longer if put well when jerked?
It's a bra. It's a bra. It's a bra.
So what?
It's a bra.
No.
It means we won't get any question correctly. Unless you know.
I don't know.
No, what's that? Yeah, me I can know.
I think this one we're going to get it right. It's a big.
No, it's not.
Let's pass.
A penis itself. I dig, man.
I don't know the answer.
It's a seat belt.
Oh shit!
Shit, man.
It's a seat belt, goes through breast into a hole. Yeah. Between breasts when going like this, then it enters into a hole, right?
Yes.
So if you don't use it correctly, then it goes through your neck. It will choke you.
Yeah.
And works properly when you jerk it.
When you check it, that will choke you.
It will choke you if you use it incorrectly. You get.
No, maybe you can. I don't know. Maybe I don't know if this create a tough poem. I don't know.
I go in hard, but come out soft. And I never mind if you want to blow me. What am I?
Rice?
Nope.
Pasta.
Nope. Yeah, that was close, but not close enough.
Close enough.
So it's not pasta.
Nope.
What can it be?
It's not that kind of food.
But it's food.
No, it's not food.
What can it be? I have it on my thing and I just can't think.
And this one is simple. You have any idea?
Because I also go in harder and I also come out harder.
I don't mind. That's supposed to be a dick.
Can I have a shot?
Yeah.
Feces.
Hold up. Wait a minute.
Feces. Feces.
When I go in, I can cause some pain. I'll feel your hose when you ask me to. I also ask that you spit and not swallow. What am I?
Vagina.
Love.
It's a dick.
Nope.
You're a lapper, you spit too much. You're a lapper.
Nope.
Didn't get a question, okay?
Didn't get it. Oh, hell no.
Didn't get the question. Okay. So the answer is your dentist.
No.
Yeah, it's your dentist.
How?
When he goes in to check your teeth, sometimes he can cause pain when he's removing it. Sometimes he can just check it's alright, so no pain. Yeah. Then he can also fill up your teeth when it's got holes. What does a dog do that a man steps into?
A shop?
How can a dog do a shop?
Shitting, I think.
I have no clue.
Shit. Goes into shit.
No,
Your questions are hard, man.
they're not hard.
What does a dog do
That a man steps into.
Dog do that a man steps into. What can a dog even do?
There's only one thing dogs do.
That the man steps into.
Yeah.
Man, I don't know.
You actually have it on your body right now. So.
Okay, Vela. Shoes?
Nope.
Clothes?
Nope.
Boxes?
Nope.
A human can go into, but the dog
Dog
doesn't.
does it. It does it when it's hot. So.
The tongue
No.
does it what?
Sweat.
Nope. It even does it when it's tired. That's a lot of clues.
I have no idea what.
Pants.
Yeah.
But I say clothes, it's supposed to be clothes.
No, it's pants.
Trousers.
Question?
The next question is, I'm great for protection. You use your fingers to get me off. What am I?
I'm what?
I'm great for protection.
I'm great for protection.
You use your fingers to get me off. What am I?
That's a condom.
Clothes.
No.
Repeat the question again.
I'm great for protection.
I'm great for protection.
You use your fingers to get me
Fingers
off.
To get me off.
What am I?
I'm great for protection. Use your fingers to
Get me off. What am I?
Great for protection. Man, I don't know. Yes.
Okay, so the answer is gloves.
Okay. How am I supposed to know that?
But after it clothes.
I'm beautiful and natural, but gets pricky if isn't trimmed regularly.
And as for me, I'll say a girl.
Nope.
I think for me, I would say it's a pain because when you come after when you go ask to hospital for some season, actually. she become tasteless for it to get used the way you're using it, and especially that she natural kudala.
It's not that. No.
I think it's hair from the private part or something.
No.
I think it's the man.
No.
Okay, if not that, what? Which one?
The loan. The loan. The loan. Hey, mauzi hapa nga tunajua si malazara sanga. The loan. Loan. Hey. It's a loan. Why do you guys think dirty like that? Okay. The next question.
_Naman.
23.
_Naman.
I might have forgotten mine. Adil_Koya. Who? Adil. AADIL _Koya.
Alright, so let me give you a plug so that at least you get some followers from this. Yeah, so what's your Facebook name? Or Instagram, whichever you want.
Clifford Leon JR.
That's Facebook?
Yeah, Clifford
Alright.
Leon JR. Instagram also it's Clifford Leon JR.
Oh, alright.
Yeah.
You?
Starfix Leonard.
Both Instagram and
Yes. Starfix
Starfix?
Leonard.
Alright.
Yeah, my user on Facebook is Collins. Then go follow my page Dynamic ZM and go watch my video on YouTube. Feelings aside. Yeah.
Alright. I also watch it. So you better watch it.
Use on Facebook, your boy Chenzen. I also do some mash words, so I'm sure you should, my page.
You hate that right. If you don't subscribe, he'll teach me to martial art you.
Yeah, I'm a Mirror Divine on this one. That's my Facebook user. I'm a musician, I'm doing music, you know what I mean?
What's your stage name, Sam?
Yes, a Mirror Divine on the zone. But my Facebook name is a Mirror Divine.